Telegram files not showing in File Manager on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can solve if the Telegram app is not showing the files in the File Manager on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you happen to download maybe like an image or a file from Telegram by just tapping this little download toggle here, but the problem is that when you try to go to your File Manager, there is not that particular photo or something that you downloaded. That is because you have to do one more step to show on your File Manager. That is to simply tap the three dots option next to the file and select the option called either Save to Gallery or Save to Downloads. Only when you tap on Save to Downloads or Save to Gallery, these files will actually show up inside your File Manager. So now what you can do is, now if you go ahead and then tap the My Files option, go to Internal Storage, you'll find Download folder, you'll find a new folder called Telegram. Then now you'll be able to find that particular file that you might have downloaded. So hope this video helped you clarify. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.